Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deduplicate your HubSpot contacts and companies. If you've been building out your CRM for a while, chances are you've accumulated duplicate entries that clutter your database and make reporting less accurate. This process will help you clean things up efficiently and keep your contact list organized. Let's start by heading over to HubSpot.com in your web browser. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your CRM tools. Now look over to the left navigation bar and hover your cursor over the CRM tab. This will reveal a menu with several options for managing your contacts, companies, deals, and more. From this menu, go ahead and choose Contacts. This takes you directly to your contacts database where all your lead and customer information lives. Once you're viewing your contacts, shift your attention to the top right part of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Actions with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this button to reveal additional options for managing your contacts in bulk. This Actions menu is where HubSpot hides some of its most powerful batch processing features. From the drop-down that appears, select the option that says Manage Duplicates. This is the feature we're after. Clicking it will redirect you to HubSpot's Data Quality menu, which is specifically designed to help you identify and resolve duplicate records in your CRM. Here, you'll be able to see all the duplicate leads or contacts that have been registered in your system, making it easy to spot entries that need attention. In the Data Quality menu, look again at the top right corner of your screen and locate the Actions menu with the dropdown. This is where you'll take action on the duplicates HubSpot has identified for you. If there are duplicate contacts or companies present that you want to review, they'll appear in a right side panel. This panel gives you a detailed view of each duplicate set, allowing you to compare the information side by side. After reviewing the duplicates carefully, you can decide which record to keep and which to remove. Simply select the duplicate entry you want to delete, and HubSpot will merge or remove it based on your preferences. This ensures your database stays clean and your reporting remains accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.